Presenting a pre-owned 2010 BMW X3 xDrive30i. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 229,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto.